Model of automatic hydraulic tablet press for pressing tablets up to 280 mm in diameter. Up to 10 pairs of press tools can be installed. The hydraulic press is made of stainless steel. Maximum capacity of 1,000 tablets per hour. All parts of the press are accessible from all sides. The working area is closed with transparent plastic shields. Includes a hydraulic station. There is smooth adjustment of pressing force and output. The main pressing force is 500 tons. Suitable for producing various shapes of tablets with logos. We provide detailed instructions for setting up the press and the production of tablets. Prior to shipment to the customer, the press is checked and tested at the plant. Completeness and performance is guaranteed. Experienced specialists of the company Minipress will help you choose the right model of equipment. Our catalog Minipress.ru is one of the most authoritative in the pharmaceutical industry. Daily consultant answers questions in WhatsApp.
RomanTsibulsky will answer all of your questions. Moscow phone +7 495 364 3808.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.